Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Winnie's Travels, and today get ready to be swept off your feet as we take you on an exclusive journey through the Roosevelt New Orleans. This iconic hotel is a blend of history, luxury, and modern amenities, and I can't wait to show you around every corner. This video was recorded thanks to my awesome wife who traveled with her family through New Orleans. Let's begin our adventure right here in the lobby, a space that's a true masterpiece. The high ceilings adorned with crystal chandeliers, the rich carpeting underfoot, and the exquisite art pieces make this lobby an instant statement of elegance. You can feel the historic charm infused with contemporary sophistication. Now let's head to where you'll be unwinding in style, the guest rooms. Prepare to be amazed by the luxurious accommodations that await you, from the sumptuously comfortable beds to the carefully curated furnishings. Every detail has been meticulously crafted for your utmost comfort. Of course, not to forget to have a look at the beautiful bathrooms in typical American style. The wash basin is in a separate little room, and in the room to the left we will have the shower and toilet. Including toilet paper with the logo from the hotel. Awesome. Of course, there is a wardrobe with an iron and ironing board and a sink. It seems like we are walking towards the pool area now. After a day of exploring this vibrant city, there's nothing like a refreshing dip in the pool. The Roosevelt New Orleans offers a serene poolside escape that invites you to lounge, swim, or just soak up the sun. Whether you're enjoying the tranquility of a private cabana or taking a leisurely swim, this space is a true oasis. Let's head back to the lobby where we will have a look at the spa and the gym and some other amenities. The Roosevelt New Orleans is famous for having celebrated some awesome weddings. We are now in one of the many bars that the hotel is offering. Ready to pamper yourself? Let's explore the hotel's spa and wellness center. Step into a world of relaxation where you can indulge in rejuvenating treatments, from soothing massages to invigorating facials. The tranquil atmosphere and skilled therapists ensure a truly blissful experience. For those who love to stay active even while traveling, the Roosevelt New Orleans has a state-of-the-art fitness center. This gym is more than just a place to work out. It's a space that's well-equipped, spacious, and bathed in natural light, providing the perfect setting for your fitness routine. There seem to be a lot of endless hallways that give you the impressions that you might get lost. As mentioned before, there is many places where you can satisfy your taste buds at the hotel's restaurants. From gourmet dining to relaxed coffee breaks, the Roosevelt New Orleans offers a diverse culinary journey. Indulge in flavors that capture the essence of New Orleans and don't miss the chance to savor your favorite cocktails at the stylish bar. Let's wander around a bit more in this awesome, beautiful hotel lobby. Wow, what do we have here? A really old-fashioned telephone. I wonder if it still works. Seems like my wife felt the need to do a loo review from the public bathrooms of the hotel. There you have it, fellow travelers, a glimpse into the world of luxury, history and indulgence that is the Roosevelt New Orleans. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel escapades and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.